I think all pet owners can pretty much agree that we love our pets, but they are stinky, and it's inevitable that they always smell a little bit worse than you're hoping for. No matter how many times I groom or wash my dogs, they're always stinky. Their stuff is always smelling like that extra doggy scent. So I went ahead and got the Active brand pet laundry detergent to try it out on their dog beds, because those are the stinkiest of the stinky things in my home right now. And I knew that I needed an enzymatic formula. This one does have that power, along with it being fragrance free. So we are super sensitive to fragrances in this home, as well as the fact that I don't necessarily want strong fragrances for my pets and the things that they're sleeping on or sniffing all day. So this was a great option for me to get that enzymatic formula that really handles those scents, but not have a strong fragrance. Along with that, this formula is super concentrated, so you don't need a ton of it to do its job. This is also a 2-pound bag, so you get about 64 loads or so just in this single bag. We've used this for even our leashes and collars that start to stink. We kind of just toss them in there and let it do its thing, as well as their blankets, their car seat covers, and their pet beds. I've used this I think 3 or 4 different times now, and every time the result is amazing, where it kind of just neutralizes that really strong dog and cat odor and allows me to kind of start fresh with their laundry. There are no harsh chemicals in here, but it still does the impossible job of neutralizing those odors from all things pet. That includes even when your cat leaves a litter box and maybe tracks some things all over your laundry, or whatever washable materials you have. It's also gonna clean the laundry while it's working so hard to deodorize everything. This formula does also specify on the back here to use 1 or 2 scoops depending on the laundry load or the type of washer that you have. So that's nice, a little cheat sheet to know how much you're gonna need, so you're not gonna guess and have to rewash and question yourself the whole time. This is also compatible with all washing machine models, which is important to note because I know a lot of people have had difficulties with different detergents. This one does not leave that filmy residue in our washing machine, at least. It is safe for all fabrics as well. It does also have a method for pre-soaking if you have an item that is really stained or really stinky. It does specify to go ahead and soak that article of clothing or fabric in some hot water along with a scoop or 2 of the detergent here, and let that sit for about an hour or so, and then wash it like normal. You can also see that formula up close and in action. It's a really small scoop. It doesn't take much to do its job, and again lasts for up to 64 loads. So you get plenty of formula to do the job and do it well. Like I said before, I know we love our pets, but we also want to reduce the stinkiness that lingers in our house. I definitely think that a good laundry detergent is the key to doing that. You don't need a ton of fragrance to get the job done. You just need a strong enzymatic cleaner, and this detergent has that. I can't think of a better way for me to love my pets even more than to neutralize all of the odors that they bring into my home.